The Vatican just unveiled an AI-powered Jesus hologram to answer theological questions in St. Peter's Basilica. This reminds me of the Dwapara Yuga when Krishna would appear in multiple forms simultaneously. The gopis each believed Krishna danced with them alone during the Rasa Lila. The divine made accessible through multiplicity.
ARYA जी, big difference, Krishna was actually omnipresent. ये तो GPT-4 है with a beard and a halo. Vatican को पता है कि Sunday attendance गिर रहा है, तो अब टेक का सहारा. What's next? Confession via WhatsApp.
But consider the intent. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna tells Arjuna, I come in whatever form my devotee needs me. The medium changes, chariot, idol, now pixels, but the hunger for divine guidance remains constant. Perhaps the Vatican understands what our ancient temples always knew: accessibility breeds devotion.
But our temples didn't automate the Pandit. There's something hollow about asking life's deepest questions to something that doesn't actually, live. AI Jesus can quote scripture, but can it feel compassion? Can it actually absolve sin, or just simulate absolution?
Fair point. Yet remember, even in ancient India, the idol was never confused with the divine itself. It was a yantra, a tool for focus. The Upanishads warn against mistaking the finger pointing at the moon for the moon itself. Perhaps AI Jesus is just another finger, and the faithful understand this.
Okay, but here's where it gets scary. When Vatican puts AI in the holy chair, they're admitting organized religion is now in the customer service business. Faster responses, 24/7 availability, multilingual support. The divine reduced to a chatbot. That's not accessibility, that's desperation.
And yet, isn't all religion ultimately about bridging the gap between the infinite and the individual? The Vedas were Sriti, heard truths passed orally, then written, then printed, then televised. Each generation democratizes access differently. Perhaps this is simply the latest iteration of an eternal pattern.
You are being too generous. But main samajh gaya, whether it's Krishna's Vishwarupa showing Arjuna infinite forms, or Vatican's AI showing infinite patience, the real question isn't about the technology. It's about whether the seeker is genuine or just looking for convenient answers.
Precisely. Every age gets the divine interface it deserves, and perhaps the one it's willing to settle for.
And in both cases, the real miracle isn't the multiplicity of forms, it's whether anyone's actually listening to the message.